Welcome to Japanese Shoe Channel. Today we have very beautiful clients here. Can you introduce yourself a little to our audience? What is your name?
Lana.
Oh, how old are you? Oh, very young, huh? Do you have stiff leg or stiff shoulder?
Slide.
Slide. Okay. Okay, let's check your spine mobility. Can you rotate your front? You can feel where it is like here. About this black people, I think. I will straight to your chest. Stop. I will make movement forward. Did you hear that? Okay, please sit down again. You can see a little bit lost. Become very good. Especially this, it's called Malate. This top part, especially becomes stiff. But I hear crunching sound over here today, so it will be okay. So how do you feel now?
It's better.
It's better. Okay, today is it. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.